Welcome back to my channel Car Auto. The 2025 Mini Cooper marks a significant evolution in the iconic British hatchback's legacy, blending its classic charm with modern enhancements. This latest iteration introduces a refined design, advanced technology, and improved performance, appealing to both long-time enthusiasts and new drivers. Design and features. The 2025 Mini Cooper retains its distinctive compact silhouette, characterized by a wide stance and short overhangs. The front fascia features a larger grille and updated LED headlights, giving it a more assertive presence. The interior showcases a minimalist yet sophisticated layout, highlighted by a 9.4-inch central touchscreen with vibrant OLED graphics. This display offers 7 experience modes, allowing drivers to customize the interface's appearance to their preference. The cabin also includes a 2-spoke steering wheel with a unique nylon strap at the 6 o'clock position, adding a touch of character. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mini Cooper is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. The base Cooper variant delivers 161 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque, while the Cooper S boosts these figures to 201 horsepower and 221 pounds-feet. This engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. Notably, the manual transmission option has been discontinued for this model year. Despite this change, the Cooper S accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.3 seconds, maintaining the brand's reputation for spirited driving dynamics. Technology and safety. The 2025 Mini Cooper is equipped with a suite of advanced technology and safety features. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Standard driver assistance features include front and rear parking sensors, forward collision warning with automatic braking, and lane keeping assistance. Higher trims offer additional features such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control. The cabin's design emphasizes user-friendly controls, with a horizontal control panel housing the transmission selector, experience modes toggle, volume knob, and engine ignition switch. Driving experience. The 2025 Mini Cooper delivers a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Its compact size and responsive steering make it agile in urban environments, while the turbocharged engine provides ample power for highway driving. The suspension is tuned for a sporty feel, offering a firm ride that enthusiasts will appreciate. However, this setup may be less comfortable for those prioritizing a smoother ride. The absence of a manual transmission may be a drawback for purists, but the dual-clutch automatic compensates with quick and precise shifts. Conclusion. The 2025 Mini Cooper successfully honors its heritage while embracing modern advancements. Its blend of classic design, contemporary technology, and spirited performance ensures its place as a standout in the compact car segment. Whether navigating city streets or enjoying a weekend drive, the 2025 Mini Cooper offers a compelling option for those seeking a vehicle that is both practical and fun to drive. For a visual overview of the 2025 Austin Mini, you might find the following video informative.